Smarties, and welcome to today's STEM challenge. If you didn't do yesterday's STEM challenge, I would encourage you to do that. It was a lot of fun. We made catapults out of popsicle sticks, rubber bands, and plastic spoons, and it was a lot of fun. My catapult kept shooting my pom-pom up in the air instead of out, but it was still a lot of fun. So if you did it, I hope you had fun. If you didn't do it, if you have the materials, go and check that one out. Today we are doing another STEM challenge. It's a super easy one. It's a fun one. I thought because Sunday is Easter, we would do a STEM challenge with eggs. So all you need for this is a bowl of water, okay, right here, and some plastic eggs. My plastic eggs are this size. If you have the smaller ones, that's fine. I know there's all different kinds of sizes, and that's totally okay. But this STEM challenge is called Sink an Egg. Kind of similar to when we did Float Your Boat, only we were trying to see how much our boats held before they sunk. We didn't want them to sink. The challenge is to sink your egg. You want to sink it, and you want to see what type of material will sink your egg the fastest. So, a bowl of water, some plastic eggs is all you need, and then household items to fill your egg with. So we're going to start off with, I'm going to do two examples. I have quarters here, and I have buttons, okay? So I have quarters, I have a stack of quarters. I did quarters because they're a little heavier than pennies. And we're going to see how many quarters it will take to sink my egg. I'm going to start off with 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to see if that sinks it. So you can see. Come on, sink, egg. He's not sinking. Oh. His bottom half is sinking, but he is not totally submerged. So, it has holes in it. So let's see. It filled with water, because there's a few holes in it. Let's see if we'll do 10. So there's 6 in there. How do I make 10? Add 4. You got it. Come on, egg. Sink. Oh. He's slowly going down. It's taking on water. Oh, I don't know if my bucket's full or deep enough. My bucket's not deep enough. So make sure that you have a bowl, that your bowl's deep enough to have the egg sink. So hang tight. I gotta go fill my bowl with a little bit more water. If you have a bucket, that might work better. But let me quickly add some water into my bowl. All right. I'm back. And it sunk. So my egg with 10 quarters sunk. All right. Now we're going to see buttons. These are definitely a lot lighter. So I'm thinking 15 buttons to start off. And they're different sizes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. That's not very heavy at all. I don't think we're gonna go anywhere. But this is the other item I had. I had buttons in my craft drawer, so I just pulled the buttons out. Like I said, pom-poms, cotton balls. Those are gonna like suck in the water and take it in, so that might make it heavy and weigh it down. Anything little that you can find, okay, that can fit into an egg. So let's try 15 buttons. You know that's not going anywhere. That is gonna float on top of the water. So yeah, that didn't do anything. It's literally just going to float there. So, let's do, we're going to do handfuls. So, I don't know. I'm not keeping track, but we'll do handfuls. So we went 15 plus a handful of buttons. Again. Nope. I think it needs more, guys. Whoops. I lost a button. Let's do another handful. Actually, let's do two. I lost one. Another one. All right. Here we go. Oh, there it goes. It's taking on water. Maybe. Slowly starting to sink. Ish. I don't know. I can see it on this side. I'm watching the level of the water kind of rise on the egg, and it's kind of stopped. It was sinking. Oh, nope, it's still taking on water. I think if it didn't have the holes, okay, it would, because there's air trapped inside, it would stay buoyant. It would just float and bob on top. But because the eggs have the holes in them, and they're taking on the water, okay, that is helping the egg sink. They are not buoyant, meaning they're not going to bob on top of the water like a buoy. That's why it's important that boats don't have holes that they can take on water, because eventually it's going to take on too much water and your boat's going to sink. But it is slowly going down. I don't know if you've been watching it, but it is now just the top of the egg is visible. I think it's going to go under. So that's, you saw how many buttons I had to begin with. It took quite a few buttons. I wouldn't be surprised if there's over 50 buttons in that egg. So it still hasn't sunk yet. I might have to take it out and put more buttons in there, but I don't know. It's a slow sinker. So have fun with this STEM experiment, this STEM challenge. See what kind of objects will sink your egg the fastest. Obviously, quarters, they're heavy. So the 10 quarters pretty much sunk that egg. I started off with 6. Buttons, they're obviously a lot lighter. And you can see because my egg is sinking a lot slower. So, find other things in the house, see how fast you can get your eggs to sink, and have fun with it. Remember to get outside and play. It's beautiful out. This weekend is supposed to be kind of nasty, so take advantage of this sunny, warm weather. And remember to smile and be kind. And have a great weekend. I will miss seeing you, but I will see you bright and early on Monday for our Monday morning. So, bye for now, Smarties. My egg is slowly still sinking. I have a feeling it'll eventually sink. But this is our STEM challenge. Have fun with it, and I will see you later. Bye, Smarties. Have a good weekend.